All right, so now that I've got my About page on my home page, I can actually just delete this page. And so that simplified the menu. So I want to show you another type of menu that you can add, which is called the anchor menu. And this allows you to scroll through the pages with anchors on the side. So let's set it up quickly first with the design. So let's get it themed to our site's colors. Manage the menu. And now we've got all the necessary anchors. Wonderful. With that, let's have a look at the preview. So now if I scroll down on the side, you can see here that the anchor is changing. So very slick tool. Try adding an anchor menu to navigate through your pages.